I'm Sara Chase, and I'm reading a script by Richard McCallum called Conjoined. There's a Jane character which I will read, there's a Lilith character which I will read with this mask on, and then the doctor I will read as well. We hear, "Hi, I'm Dr. Jackal. Have a seat, Jane." "Up yours, I'll stand." I shut her voice up in my head. "Sit, witch." "Thank you, doctor. Sorry we're late." "I'm sorry. I didn't want to come. He's a jerk. Don't trust him." "You're pulling my skirt up too short." "Not enough. He's cute." "What? That would be so unprofessional." "No." "You embarrass me." Love the worsted wool suit. Reminds me of Bradley Cooper. Blue eyes, tall, muscly. Bet he... Shut up! And the doctor says, "Jane, the brain scan detected a tumor in your brain about the size of a walnut. It has different DNA than yours. It is the remains of an absorbed fetus, a fraternal twin female. Interestingly, it resides in your frontal lobe. Seems to have been there all your life. Maybe the source of your voices. When the egg cell was supposed to split into 2 cells, it split into 4. Then 8 instead of 4, and so on and so on. The embryo attempted to evolve 2 bodies into 1. Lilith always seemed to be a twin sister. Boring. Ugh, talk to her. Ugh, let her talk to him while I distract him. I keep my eye on the doctor as I review my image in the desk lamp's shiny metallic base. Long blue fingernails, adjust my bleach blonde hair dangling over my eyebrows in Alicia Beth Moore fashion. I watch as the doctor follows my move as I unbutton the top of my blouse. "Stop that and pay attention." I am paying attention. Did you notice? No tan line under his wedding ring? I bet he slips it off every chance he gets. And the doctor says, "You were aware of her from an early age?" The doctor seems to be noticing our differences in body movements and conflicts, I think. I noticed. Ha ha. Watch him while I lift my side of the dress. My first memory of her is in baby care. An old woman and her husband took care of us babies. The husband changed the baby diapers. When he did, the babies cried, and the woman would scold him. I always cried when he touched me, but she liked it. He was very gentle and would rub our body. I tried to fight it, but she liked his touch. You loved it too, liar. He will know you said that, Lilith. You sound different than me. And the doctor says, "Who are you?" I was aware of her, Jane, whether she knew it or not. I suppressed Lilith and I asked the doctor, "When do the twins become aware of each other?" The doctor says there have been studies suggesting twins are aware of each other in the womb and interact with each other. The biopsy revealed a different DNA than the body outside the tumor. The remains of an absorbed fetus containing eyes, teeth, brain material, alive. I recommend surgery soon. We don't know if the removal of the tumor will remove the dual personality from which you suffer. How come? The doctor says the absorbed one's DNA flows in the bloodstream and can affect the personality for the rest of your life. Yes, I knew she was there, and I knew she knew I was there from the beginning. All our nutrients, space, mommy time was shared. And the doctor says, "But you were born as one?" "Yes, one body, 2 personalities." The doctor says, "You were competitive from birth?" "Yes, constant conflict. Which breast to suckle, if it was the right one, if it was me and mommy, if it was the left one, it was her and mommy." The doctor says, "Your mom notices the difference?" "Yes, I was patient, enjoyed the intimate relationship. She would drain my mom dry, bite, and make her sore, and then seek to feed on mom's right side. I had to fight like a puppy to survive. She wanted me dead." And the doctor says, "What does she want now?" "To be with you, doctor. I want to be with you." And the doctor says, that would be very unprofessional of me. I blacked out for a minute. The doctor says, Jane? I was surprised to find him still in his chair. I spring up embarrassed. The doctor says, when do you remember your first sexual encounter? Prom night, high school, with my longtime love. I was a virgin. What? We were playing with Jimmy in 4th grade. That was childhood exploration. Doctor says, I want you to reach back. Tell me what you remember as a child. The doctor explains to us, I will put you under hypnosis. We fall into a deep sleep. Doctor says, our goal is to bring your personalities together before the operation. Think of all you accomplished. You learned to study together, ride bikes, swim, cook, and eat foods, and you both enjoyed. You decided every day what you can wear. You compromised on all your likes and dislikes and functioned as a normal person. Ladies, let me proceed with my questions. Do you both share friends? How do you tolerate people one of you doesn't like? When Lilith has her friends over, I just retreat into my own space. She's such a bore. None of my friends like her. Doctor says, so you both can retreat into your own worlds and not really participate in each other's social networks. I scheduled the surgery for next week. I will see you for a mental evaluation a week after. The doctor enters the office and says, hello, Jane. Jane? The end.